I have 10 secret commands for Claude Code, and they will literally 10x your productivity. And guess what? They're free. So the first one is / schedule. What this does, it will schedule repeating tasks that run independently in the cloud. It's great for daily summaries, reoccurring automations, scheduled reports. I just set one up to do my bookkeeping once a week. It reconciles everything. It's awesome. The second one is / BTW, by the way. So you'll want to run that when Claude's already doing something, and it will answer you without stopping its work. So if it's working on a long little task for you, and then you think, oh yeah, by the way, when you get done with this, so super easy to do. The number 3 is / remote control. And what that does is it continues using Claude on your phone. So it's useful to let it cook for a while and then approve with the permissions. Number 4 is / rename. So rename this session. It's very useful if you have a lot of sessions across your different devices, remote control. And, if you're like me, you've got like 10 different discussions going on. So to rename them, it really helps you be able to find those discussions later. Number 5 is / advisor. So what that does is when Claude needs stronger judgment, it will escalate it to the advisor model for guidance, and then it will resume. So it's like pulling in that expert advisor, and then it can continue on with its work. Number 6, / insights. So Claude will analyze all of your sessions in the past 30 days or the past 7 days and suggest to you how to be more productive. I tell you what, I think I need to do that every day at the end of the day just to find out how can I kind of streamline what I'm working on. Number 7 is / plugin marketplace ad. So it will install pre-built sets of skills so you don't have to start from scratch. Okay. Just make sure that you're going to a trusted source if you're downloading or plugging in any of these third-party skills or apps. Number 8, / clear, CLEAR. This is super important also because it will clear the context in the current chat. So this is very helpful when you're done with one task and you want to reduce the tokens. Now, a little side note, I normally try to keep my discussions small and then just start a new one. Instead of, constantly doing that back and forth. All right. Number 9 is / caveman. What this will do, it will install an open source skill and it cuts the output token substantially. So this is really good. If you're really having a lot of conversations back and forth, you can just tell it / caveman to do that. Then number 10 is / resume, RESUME. So this will pick up where you left off. And this is great because it will continue a previous Claude chat that you had started. And a couple of bonus ones, let me find my notes here, that I like. Now, I have a skill that kind of tidies things up, and one of them is called / reflect. And basically it's an ongoing assessment of everything that was done. It updates my memory. And then it corrects anything. So maybe it ran into some kind of a snafu. And so then it updates the memory. So instead of wasting time every time doing that, so it's great. So at the end of every chat session or Claude Code session, I always run that. And then similar to resume, / handoff. And again, this was a custom built skill that I got. And so I don't know if it's third party or what. And if you want, I can open it up and share the contents. But basically, it will summarize everything that you've talked about, because the longer your chat goes, the more tokens you're using, because it reads everything, gives you the answer. You have a question or it does a task, it reads everything, gives you the answer or the result. So if this gets too lengthy, do you see what happens? It's going way back up. So instead of having these humongous threads of conversation, it's better to chunk it up. And so you can just say, hey, let's do a handoff. It will quickly summarize it. It will give you a short little paragraph to copy. Then you start a new chat and it knows exactly where to take off. So I gave you a couple of bonus ones there. So what's your favorite? Which one have you used? Share maybe some that I didn't talk about, and let me try those out. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.